To download Webull on Mac, start by opening a web browser such as Safari or Google Chrome. Navigate to the Webull website by typing webull.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the website loads, click on the download button to initiate the download process. The download button is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the Webull download page. On this page, you will see a button that says Download for Mac. Click on this button to start the download. As the download progresses, you may see a prompt asking if you want to allow downloads from this website. Click Yes to continue the download. Once the download is complete, a .dmg file will be saved to your Mac's Downloads folder. To install Webull, open the .dmg file by double-clicking on it. This will open a new window with the Webull installer. Drag the Webull icon to the Applications folder to install the app. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, you can find the Webull app in your Applications folder. Double-click on the Webull icon to launch the app. You will be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you already have a Webull account, enter your login credentials to access the app. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new one. Once you have logged in, you can start using the Webull app to trade stocks, options, and other financial instruments. Make sure your Mac meets the system requirements for Webull, which includes macOS 10.13 or later, 4 GB of RAM, and a 64-bit processor. By following these steps, you can easily download and install Webull on your Mac. Remember to always download software from the official website to ensure you are getting a safe and legitimate copy of the app.